Hi, I'm Hank. I paraglide in the living and push cars to the limit. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Yeah, I don't know how to explain this, but
emotional damage.
And basically, here's the part. What I can tell you is what you probably can also tell. The cover's on the wheel just to let it not have that much contact on the sun, because it will kind of rust a bit as well, with all the sprockets and the bearings. But we also, I call this now the control center, because this is where you'll be steering and sitting. So the control center is, we've minimized it to be in length with the tire. Well, it's not exactly 100% minimized, but we've tried our best. And basically the whole front end we just cut because how do I say, because it was too big, and we wanted the area, because the length from one side of the tire to the other side of the tire I believe was 43, and this one, including this frame, was like very out of proportion. So I guess now, sadly I did this off camera, but I didn't even have any footage of us cutting it. But either we start working on the connection point between the back where the engine will sit and over here, or we start working on the front and have it standing on all four wheels. I'll decide that. Still thinking it might be easier just have it on four wheels first before you connect. Well, it's easier said than done to do this, but I guess let's see. What's up, guys? So it's the next day here, and our plan is now to weld everything fully. The frame needs to be welded fully, was just tacked welded, so we can measure it nicely, but that seems all okay. Then we cut this in the evening, and we realized here it's not exactly 100% straight at all. It's probably because yeah, I guess we go and make sure they're 100% straight, accurate, and then we weld everything. We'll hopefully weld the front tires, and let's hope by today it will be standing on all four tires, from what we hope, but depending on the weather, because it is gonna kind of rain a bit. But with that, let's get started. Alright, guys, you probably saw we actually got the back suspension. Well, it's part of the suspension. Basically, where the engine will sit and the frame, there'd be a lot of tension when going up and down a hill or like a bump. So we've added those brackets in to where it can actually help it function to move up and down. But since we've done that, we can now move on to the front. So let's get that started. Well, guys, see here, we did try and see the front tires, where they'll exactly go. It took kind of a lot of time. You see the daylight is kind of running out here. We did just put the clamps here to hold the tires so that we can have more hands to use and help it kind of professional. The tires are not sitting exactly straight. They have some kind of caster angle a bit. I'll make that straight, not a big deal. This thing's almost standing on its own four wheels. I mean, this is just epic. From where we've come from, just this kind of metal to this. This is just epic, guys. Thank you guys a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. But let's continue in the build. With that, I think we've got the front frame welded pretty nice. Just did a few spot welds. Connected the back. I think that might be it for today. Next project is pretty interesting, where we might actually have it on all four standing, hopefully. Otherwise it might be a sleeper and go all the way down. Then we'll start all over again. And I think this is, yeah. Alright guys, thank you much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. We're almost 100% getting there. On the not yet still, but we got a major progress done today. Still what, but the light's catching up on us, and the time has run out. Super tired, so with that I might have to, I'll end that here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.